Hey, this is Rick. Today is the day. We've for a long time have been anticipating this day and what would be happening. The deck is done. The pool today is getting sprayed with our Pebble Tech, and I'm just super excited. Not even gonna lie. But the prep work, they prepped this entire pool in about an hour and a half. Pretty cool. We are going to go with a white Pebble Tech. It's going to have a little blue fleck to it. We wanted something that would pull in the colors, the vibrant colors from the sky. We did a little bit of research on this, and originally we were thinking we wanted to go like with a blue, a light blue, something that would give just a really neat feeling. And then after researching, we decided that we were going to go with a white pool, a brilliant white that had a little fleck in it, and then that would be able to pull the colors from the sky. And but what we're waiting on right here, which is supposed to have been done, is we're going to have tile to mark the edge of the that would match the tile that we have there. That has to be installed, and it wasn't. So this crew, unfortunately, was forced to stop while another crew comes over that was supposed to do their job so that they can finish it, so that these guys can get back to work and do what they need to do. But they also have this little web system that is set up, and as you can see, it holds the hoses and keeps everything from touching the actual pool deck itself. So, hey, that's all I got. Today is Tuesday. Have yourself a great day. If you want to see the process and continue to see what happens before, during, and after, I'm going to post all videos in this thread, so that we have a one-stop shop that we can go to and view how our pool got a new face. Take care, everybody. This is Rick Borden from Scottsdale Urban Farms in Scottsdale, Arizona, 85254.